What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to quickly go over Fantom. We've reached our profit zone. We're sitting at 260. We're up 8% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 6.59 billion. 24-hour volume 1.16 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up. To the world's fastest crypto growing app. You can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, as well as $25 USD in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So let's hop into Fantom, guys. You can see we've come all the way up to our buy zone at 263. If you used our dollar cost average strategy, your average price was right around 227. So that was a juicy trade opportunity of about 14-15%. We did roll over and I re-entered again at 194. So that did bring my average price down even lower. And I sold 50%. I decided just to take out 50% and see if we trend a little bit higher here. I'll throw my profits up on the screen here. So if we can break 263, we are having the bullish cross of the EMAs. We see continuation. Have a little bit of a bull pennant, bull flag here. I would say more of a bull pennant. So if we were to break this level of resistance, then here's your target. And would bring you basically all the way up to our next profit zone in the 1.618 at 296 for Fantom. Now what you can do, let's say you sold 100% of your position at 263, you can reset your buy zones 234, 194. But sometimes it's not going to come back down to your buy zone. It's going to see continuation. And that's when you can do a breakout trade. You see it break resistance, you enter a breakout trade with a stop loss. So if it rolls over, it hits your stop loss and you have your buy zone set up so you can dollar cost average once again. Because for me, I always like to be in my trade. I don't like to miss out on potential gains. So if I'm let's say I sold everything at 163, we break out, what I would do is trade the breakout. We are trending towards overbought on the RSI. So I would definitely use a stop loss. If the stop loss hits, we come down to our buy zone. Well, I'm back in the trade once again. All right, guys. So just a little bit of trading advice with Jax, but I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. So, sorry guys. I had a bit of a pain on my right side of my head there. So we're going to jump into Fantom here on the daily. We're looking really, really healthy, guys. We went through our ABC correction. We came down to 202. We broke below it a little bit. We got back above it as support. So many people in my comment section, Fantom, worst coin going to zero. Every time there's a correction, people start changing their minds on their investments. They change their mind on how they feel about a project, and suddenly it becomes the worst. So we bounced and we're back above the EMAs. Really strong sign of continuation. Check this out, guys. ABC correction broke below the 20 EMA, got back above it. Continuation. Let's look here. So we can see here we went through a large correction. We broke below the EMAs. We got back above them. Bullish cross. Massive pump, guys. So we're just about to get back above the EMAs. We are back above the EMAs. So we see a couple daily closes. We're looking for continuation. We have our bull run target at 597. And I think Fantom's going to make it up to the 2.272, which is coming in at 993. We're just having the bullish cross on the MACD on the daily, which is a massive sign of strength and usually leads to a pump. Right here, we had a bullish cross, beautiful pump. Had the bullish cross right here, beautiful pump. We're just printing the bullish cross. So very strong sign of continuation for Fantom. So that's basically it for this one, guys. If you do see us roll over, you can reset your buy zone here at 234. 194, 164, and so on and so forth. If you see us break out of this bull pennant pattern here, I'm getting a little bit redundant, so I'm going to end the video, and we'll bring you up to our next take profit zone at 296 and the 1.618 for Fantom. So that's it for this one. I'm running out of breath. Breathe, Jax, just breathe. All right, guys, we have our Discord here. We have over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Incredible way to stay ahead of the game as a trader, as an investor. It's the price of a coffee, $3.50 USD, and you can sign up through the Patreon. Check out crypto.com. Follow me on IG if you'd like to, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.